Hello there. It is I, your furry and adorable friend Grover. Welcome to Mindful Monsters. I am so glad you are here. Being a mindful monster means paying close attention to how you feel and what is going on around you. Let us start by taking a deep breath. Ready? Now, let us listen in with my good friend Elmo to learn about listening with your whole body.
Hi there, it's Elmo. One way Elmo likes to be mindful is by listening with Elmo's whole body. Oh, that means we use our whole bodies to show our friends that we are listening. Our ears listen to what our friend is saying. Our eyes are looking at our friend while they are talking. Our mouths are closed and quiet. And our bodies are calm. Hey, Elmo knows a song that can help us remember to be whole body listeners. It goes like this. Ears are hearing what you have to say. Eyes are watching what you do today. Voices are quiet with calm bodies too. That's why Elmo's whole body listens to you. Come on, point to your ears. Ears are hearing what you have to say. Eyes are watching what you do today. Voices are quiet with calm bodies too. That's how Elmo's whole body listens to you. Let's do it one more time. Ears are hearing what you have to say. Eyes are watching what you do today. Voices are quiet with calm bodies too. That's how Elmo's whole body listens to you. Elmo loves being a whole body listener. If you need help remembering, just sing this song.
Well, that was nice. Thank you for stopping by Mindful Monsters and taking a mindful moment with us today. Let us take one more deep breath together, okay? Bye.